Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to set a minimum or maximum single product total for specific items in Shopify. Using the single product total condition, you can easily set a minimum single product total for specific items, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the single product total condition. So first, we'll search for single product total in the search bar. Then we'll select the rule type where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one. Here we can see that the condition is available in both rule types. For this video, we will choose the Essential 1, select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Single Product Total. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. Now here you can see many more options. You should choose these options based on your requirements. For example, if you want to set a maximum amount, select Block if more than. If you want to set a minimum amount, select Block if less than. For this video, we will set a maximum order amount, so we will select Block if more than and enter maximum single product. Total $500. Now you will see two options here. These options let you control which products the rule will apply to. Any products. If you select this option, the rule will apply to all products in your store. You don't need to select any specific products, tags, or collections. When to use, when you want the same rule to apply to every product. Selected products. If you select this option, the rule will apply only to specific products you choose. After selecting this, you will see three filtering options. Products. Select individual products. Product tags. Apply the rule to products with specific tags. Collections. Apply the rule to products that belong to selected collections. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like, please add Bear Collections products worth up to a total of $500 to your cart. Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. The error appears because the Bear Collection product Snow Bear exceeds $500 in the cart, while Jersey is only $147. Since the rule applies only to Bear Collection tagged products, the error is triggered. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now let's remove some items from Snow Bear, make it less than $500 and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!